Good morning to you, welcome. It's Wright talking really, and here's a story regarding UC, Universal Credit. It's been going on for over 2.5 years. So this battle has been long-winded, and now the DWP have abandoned their legal battle, conceding defeat more likely. But this problem affects certain people who are paid monthly on UC, and the problem is that on some months when the end of the month comes and somehow it sort of works out that they when they do their claim for UC, they have two claims in 1 month, even though they're not actually in the same month, they're actually in the same period. And of course this presents problems because the following month they get nothing, and obviously budgeting wise that's not very good. So let's have a look at the actual article. Department of Work and Pensions abandoned its lengthy legal battle to avoid fixing this perverse design feature in Universal Credit, left thousands of working claimants hundreds of pounds a year out of pocket. Obviously the Minister, Will Quince, told MPs he accepted that the DWP must correct the feature, which has resulted in severe budgeting problems for some claimants. They're paid at the end of the month. The issue currently affects claimants whose wages are paid 2 days earlier than usual when the month ends on a weekend or a bank holiday. Obviously, the UC system assumes that they've been paid twice in a single Universal Credit assessment period and none in the next, meaning that their benefit payments fluctuate. The appeal court ruled on Monday, in a case brought by 4 single mothers, that the DWP had acted irrationally and unlawfully in refusing to allow affected claimants to change their assessment period dates to avoid a problem that has the effect of leaving them £500 a year worse off. The 4 women has been forced into rent arrears, borrowing money and using food banks. One of the mothers was so exasperated by the system that she gave up work to look for another job with a different pay date. The DWP have argued all along that the change to the system would cost at least 7.5 million. Sorry? 7.5 million? What planet are they on? They're balmy! 7.5 million to change a computer system? Are they crazy? Yeah, so it would undermine the principle of universal credit and would result in huge numbers of claims having to be processed manually. Oh dear, how sad. Conceding a legal fight that has lasted nearly 2.5 years, Quince told MPs, "We do recognise the budgeting issues that we may have caused, and we are now assessing remedial options." Although the court accepted that 85,000 people were affected by this, Quince said DWP was aware of only 1,500 who had reported the problem. There were no straightforward solutions, and the system could not be changed at the flick of a switch. The Labour chair of the Commons Working Pensions Select Committee, Stephen Timms, said nobody will dispute the view of the appeal court that this policy is irrational. Tessa Gregory, a solicitor for Lee Day, said urgent steps must now be taken to remedy this absurd situation to ensure no other hard-working individuals are treated irrationally, and to also ensure those who have lost out financially are recompensed. Yep, so there you go. 7.5 million to change a computer program. They're having a laugh. Give it me, I'll do it. I'm a computer programmer. I could probably do it better than they could. But I mean, that's just stupid. And to make that excuse, they've used that excuse before, haven't they? They said that about the £20 a week for legacy benefits. They said, oh no, we can't do it, it's going to cost too much. And all the money that they wasted, I mean £100 billion that they've wasted already, Yeah, let's not go there. So that's the story. Have a good day.